Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leave Insert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Okay, so construction 15 in our constructions taken from SquellNet is to construct a rectangle given the side lengths. Okay, and there was no worksheet with this one either, so I've used the book. It was one of the textbooks to give me an example that I could work at. So the question here is question 12. Construct the rectangle ABCD with base AB equal to 7 in length if the area of the rectangle is 28. So that's the one I'm going to do. And I just have a blank sheet here to do it on. Okay, so what are we saying? Construct the rectangle. So let's do our rough work here. Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle as such. Okay, rectangle has all right angles, all four corners are 90 degrees. My base, it's telling me, is AB, and it's 7 centimeters. My area is 28 centimeters squared. As you know, area is length by width, length by breadth. So if my area is 28 and the length is 7, or the base is 7, I divide both sides by 7 and I get the width to be 4. Okay, so that's going to be 4 up there. So that's the triangle, or sorry, the rectangle that I need to construct. So let's proceed and do that. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to draw in the base of my rectangle. So I'm going to do a starting point here of A, measure my 7 centimeters, which is across to here. Okay, so that's the base of my rectangle. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put in now is one of these right angles. So I'll get my protractor. Let me measure a right angle. So again, like we've been doing with the other constructions, the base of my rectangle is now flush with this line on my protractor. Crosshairs are at the point A, so that my right angle ends up being a right angle at the point A. Okay, and you come up from here. So there's your right angle already put in. So my next step then is to draw parallel lines to those two lines to do the 4 sides of the rectangle. And what you'll use for this is, if I go back, I'm presuming it's here, we're going to use construction 5 that we've already done a video on, how to draw a line parallel to a given line through a given point. Okay, so that's the construction that we use then to draw the other 2 sides, so parallel lines. Okay, so I get my ruler, okay, and I'm going to draw in the top line first. Okay, sorry, I need to measure my 4 centimeters first so that I know where I am drawing my line parallel to. So there's 4 centimeters. Okay, so draw in your arc here. And let's call him up there, let's call him point C of my rectangle. Okay, so this is 4 centimeters. So I want to draw a line now across here at C that's parallel to AB. Okay, so you use one of your triangles and your ruler. Your ruler is just your guide that your triangle will slide up and down against. Okay, so if you put in your triangle here, okay, hold your ruler against this line that we're after drawing, this line you see. Hold your ruler there, and now you can slide your triangle up and down along that ruler. Okay, So you can see the angle at a triangle is 90 degrees. That's why it's really useful for drawing lines that are parallel. Okay, so that's it there at the line AB. Okay, slide it up until the corner of it is at C. As such, I'm just going to slide it up another notch so that I can draw a line there through C. Okay, draw the line there through C. And that is fully parallel to the line AB down the bottom. Okay, they are parallel. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. And then you can, of course, do the same thing on the opposite side. So I'm holding my ruler, and you can see your ruler goes the opposite way to the line that you want to draw. So my ruler now sits on the bottom, and I'm going to slide my triangle this way instead this time. Okay, so your ruler goes the opposite way to the line that you're drawing. So I'm drawing a vertical line this time, so my ruler is flat. So again, hold it there from AC, slide across until you hit the point B, a little bit beyond it, so we have room to draw. And drawing that line there, and where they cross is your point D. Okay, and to explain to the examiner how I drew it, I would put my little arrows here, which is maths language for parallel lines, and I would put 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So just by having different amounts, it doesn't matter which one's 1 and 2. Sorry, they're not that clear. They're 2 little arrows. Because it's 2 and 2, it says these 2 lines are parallel to each other, and the 1 and 1, all they are is little arrows like this. Okay, they just show that this line is parallel to this line, and this line is parallel to that one. So that's how I would construct a rectangle of sides 7 centimeters and 4 centimeters.